Hi students, today we will start our lesson number 1, chapter 1st, percentage. Now student, you have heard that word so many times, percentage. So mostly whenever your result is declared, at that time your relatives, they are asking you first question. What is that question? How many percentage you got in this year? Correct? Means if they ask how many percentage you got, then whatever percentage you got, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, correct? Means your answer is in percentage. Correct? Means what is that percentage? What is actual meaning of it? So see student, the word percent means out of 100. Look here student, the word percent. What is meaning of that? Out of 100. Now the symbol, we use the symbol for percent. The symbol for percent is here I have shown. This is the symbol for percent. Now where we use percent, percentage are used to describe parts of a whole, the whole being made up of 100 equal parts. See student, percentage are used to describe parts of a whole, and that whole being, it is the whole being made up of 100 equal parts. Now percentage is a simple fraction. Percentage is a simple fraction with 100 as its denominator. See student, percentage is a simply fraction with 100 as its denominator. See, here is shown one example. 42%. So what is meaning of that? 42 upon 100. Means here, simply in fraction, how to write that? 42 and its denominator is 100. 42 upon 100, its meaning 42%. And what is meaning of that? 42 out of 100. Now we will see converting fractions into percentage. Means here we will learn about how to convert fraction into percentage. So see, let's solve example. Convert 1 upon 10 into a percentage. 1 upon 10 is a fraction. You have to convert this fraction into percentage. So student, to convert fraction into percentage, there are two methods. So this example we will solve by method first. So let's see its solution. So see this method first. Convert the fraction into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. So student, in lesson fraction you have learned how to convert fraction into an equivalent fractions. But in this method, you have to convert fraction into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. Means here we have to convert denominator with 100. So see here student, here fraction is given 1 upon 10. But we want here denominator 100. So 10 tens are 100. So here we multiply numerator 1 by 10 and denominator 10 by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So 10 upon 100. So we have C. 10 upon 100 means 10 out of 100, and 10 upon 100, write it in percentage 10%. In this way, this is the method first. Convert fraction into an equivalent fraction with its denominator 100. Next example, we will see convert 5/6 into a percentage. Means in this example, here given a mixed fraction. So see its solution. Here first 5/6 is a mixed fraction which has to be converted into an improper fraction. Means in this example, given fraction is mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction, and then we have to multiply a fraction by 100%. See student, first we have to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and then once we get improper fraction, we have to multiply improper fraction by 100%. So first we will see how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So student, you have learned conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see here, mixed fraction is 1/5/6. So you have learned how to convert. We have to multiply denominator with whole number. We have to multiply here denominator with whole number and add numerator. So here 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5. 6 ones are 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 11. And denominator as it is. We have last one. What we have done here? Multiply denominator with whole number and add numerator and denominator as it is. So here we multiply 6 by 1. 6 ones are 6 plus add 5 numerator. 6 plus 5 11 and denominator 6 right as it is. So we get here fraction 11/6. Now here we converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into percentage. So 11/6 multiplied by 100%. 11 multiplied by 100, we get 1100/6. Now first we have to divide numerator and denominator with its HCF. So 1106, its HCF is 2. This first we have to convert or reduce into its lowest term. See, 1106, we have to reduce it into its lowest term. So how to reduce it is? By dividing numerator and denominator by its HCF. And HCF of 1106 is 2. So now here we will divide 1100 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0 being down. 2 5s are 10. And 2 zeros are 0. So here we get quotient 550. And 6 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6. Now student, we get here 550/3. Now we have to divide 550 by 3. First we divide 5. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. And 3 3s are 9. So student, here we get quotient 183 and remainder 1. So we can write this improper fraction again into mixed fraction. So how to convert that also you have learned. Quotient we get 183. So 183 write at whole number place. Remainder is 1. That write at numerator place. And denominator 3. In this way, here we convert percentage. Once time see student. First we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we multiply improper fraction by 100 and by solving it we get answer 183 1/3%. Next we have to learn about converting decimals into percentage. Just we have seen how to convert fraction into percentage. Now we will see how to convert decimals into percentage. So sister, to convert a decimal into a percentage, we have to multiply given decimal by 100%. Sister, to convert a decimal into a percentage, we have to multiply given decimal by 100%. So we will see example of it. So see here example, convert 0.05 into a percentage. See student example, convert a 0.05 into a percentage. So now just we have seen to convert a decimal into percentage, we have to multiply by 100%. So see its solution, 0.05 decimal is given. So to convert decimal into percentage, we have to multiply by 100%. So here we multiply 0.05 by 100%. Now 0.05 it is in decimal. So first we have to convert it into fraction. 0.05, its fraction is 5/100. 0.05, its fraction is 5/100 into 100%. 100 get cancel, remaining 5%. In this way, here we convert 0.05 decimal into percentage, we get answer 5%. So see friend, how we convert? To convert decimal into fraction, we multiply by 100%. In this way, here we converted decimal into percentage. Next one, converting percentage into fractions. So here we will learn about how to convert percentage into fraction. So sister, to convert a percentage into fraction, divide the number by 100. See, to convert percentage into fraction, we have to divide number by 100 and remove percent sign. See student, we have to remove percent sign and given number divided by 100. Then reduce the fraction to the lowest term. Then once we convert percentage into fraction, then we have to reduce into its lowest term. So let's solve one example. Express 35% into a fractions in the lowest form. See, here we have to convert or express 35% into fraction in its lowest form. So 35%. So see student, this solution, 35%, how to write it is 35/100. This we have learned. Remove percent sign and divide given number by 100. So here we remove percent sign and 35 divided by 100. Next, we have to reduce into its lowest term. So how to reduce we have learned. First we have to find its HCF. So HCF of 35 and 100 is 5. HCF of 35 and 100 is 5. So we divide 35 by 5 and 100 by 5. So by dividing 35 by 5, we get quotient 7. And by dividing 100 by 5, we get quotient 20. So here we get fraction 7/20, which is in lowest term. See once time again, 35%, its fraction is 35/100. Means here we remove percent sign and divide by 100. So again we have to reduce this 35/100 into its lowest term. So we have to divide its HCF. So HCF of 35 and 100 is 5. So we divide here 35 by 5 and 100 by 5. By dividing 35 by 5, we get quotient 7. And by dividing 100 by 5, we get quotient 20. So here we get answer 7 upon 20, which is in the lowest form. In this way, here we express percentage into fraction in its lowest form. Next, converting percentage into decimals. So to convert a percentage into a decimal, first convert the percentage into fraction. So how we convert, we have seen that. Convert percentage into fraction means first remove percent sign and then divide number by 100. So here first we have to convert percentage into fraction and then we have to convert into decimal. See student again, to convert a percentage into decimal, first convert the percentage into a fraction with denominator 100. So we will see its example. Express 10% into decimal. Okay, so we will see its solution. So we have seen, to convert percentage into decimal, first we have to convert into a fraction with its denominator 100. So here we have learned, remove percent sign and divide number by 100. So here we divide 10 by 100. Once we convert into fraction, then 10 upon 100 means how to write its decimal? 0.10. In this way here we convert percentage into decimal.